Hello and welcome back to 5-Minute Productivity. My name is Chris Kamir, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to enable the new dark mode in Todoist. Today is September 26, 2018, and the only reason why I mention that date is because yesterday on the 25th, Todoist finally released their new dark theme, which is awesome. So today I wanted to show you how to get that enabled on your Todoist system. Once you're logged into Todoist, all you need to do is click the gear icon here, go to Theme, and here you'll see all of the themes available to you. The stars indicate premium themes, so you'll only be able to enable these if you're a paying Todoist customer. But as you'll notice, the new dark theme is available for free users. So to enable that, simply click on the theme and you'll see this red check mark right here. One other thing that I'd like to point out while we're in here is that you can sync your theme across all of your devices. So for me, I have Todoist on my laptop, I have it on my iPhone and iPad. So if I wanted to have the same theme across all of those devices, you can click the sync theme. So once you log in and make sure that you're updated to the latest version of Todoist to get the dark mode, then that theme will be available to you and automatically enabled once you log into Todoist on that device. This is also a handy trick that if you wanted to have different themes on all of your devices, you could do that as well. So all you would need to do is check this off and then say pick dark mode for your iPad because you might only be using your iPad at night. You might want the neutral for your iPhone and the Todoist red for your desktop. So that is one little quick trick that you can do if you wanted to set up multiple themes on all of your devices. Once you are done adjusting your theme, you can click close, and that will refresh your Todoist session with the new theme. As you can see, all of the colors are really popping out on this new darker background color, and I've really enjoyed using this. It just calls out the colors for the labels and the projects, and it makes it really nice to kind of parse and see what's going on in your Todoist. I would encourage you to make sure all of your Todoist apps are updated across all your devices and see if you like the dark mode. Please leave a comment below and let me know if you have any questions or what you think about the new dark mode. Please click the thumbs up if you like this video and also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching and have a great day.